3, 2, 1. Let's go. A bingo and a bango. A bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time. You got it. It's always time to make this money. So let's go, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. That stuff's boring. Who wants to do all that? Who wants to spend hours and hours of memorizing patterns and then candlesticks and then the candlesticks patterns? It's just too much. Well, for me anyway, if you do that and you know all the hammers and the starfish and the golden whatever, then great. The crying baby and the saggy diaper. If you know all those candle names, 3 doors down, great. I'm happy for you. If you're successful, great. I'm happy for you. It's just too much for me to remember. So I simplify it. I do support, resistance, trend lines. That's it. Support, resistance, trend lines. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, guys. Feeling a little bit better. Taking my allergy medicine. Normally it takes about 2 days for me to kick the allergies. I think right now I'm on my 2nd day of taking medicine, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Looking at the hourlies on the crypto bubbles. Nothing too exciting. However, we have Bitcoin moving. And if these coins are still pegged with Bitcoin, then they will move as well. But for how long? Well, we'll see. We shall see. What does the day look like? The day? Ooh, much better. Much better. SPX. Ooh, gotta get some water. I can refill it. SPX is up 35% for the day. 35%. Are you in this one? I'm not. I am definitely not in this one. I'm in other ones, but not that one. Now, in my opinion, I strongly recommend everybody. I don't think I have this one. I have a lot of coins. I don't think I have this one though. AI16Z. I would recommend it though, because this is pretty much the incubator for all these AI agents. This one, and then also, what's the other? 1 second. Oh man, virtuals right here. And now, of course, it's in the negative, but I mean, what goes up is going to come down. And same thing with this one. Right now, it's up, and then pretty sure tomorrow it'll be down. Because people are taking profit. People are doing what they're supposed to do. They're doing what you want to do. They want to buy low, so high. Buy low, so high. Hey, we got Crypto Coin Mindset watching on X. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Bingo and a bango. Yes, indeed. We got Duality Crypto in the house. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are the best. Absolute best. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. Let us look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, the day before, I nailed it with going up to around this level, coming down, bouncing off this level, coming up. Pretty much nailed it. Today, fell. Yesterday, I was saying that, we can either go do this number or do this number. And I was thinking we're going to come down. And my plan failed. We are going up. But I'm not mad. I am not mad. And of course, if I was any other YouTuber, any kind of influencer, I would have said, I nailed it, guys. I nailed it. I said it was either going to go down or up. And guess what? It went up. So I nailed it. Wait. What? I'm right, guys. I'm right all the time. I'm right 90% of the time. Make sure to join my group. Blah, blah, blah. I'll show you how to make money. But wait. Hold on. Wait. Back up. It could either go up or down and you were right. I don't understand. But again, those people, they have a bunch of hype factor. They have really good charisma and all that fun stuff. And they trick people. They really do. All right. But here, I made a video for the group, the VIP group earlier today. It's basically saying these are our levels. We have one right here, one right here. And if it breaks above this one, then what it needs to do is find support here. And then we can remain bullish, or we could have a bullish thought process. But if it breaks below this, not so good. Now we're continuing this thought process, and it's just level by level, level by level. Ooh, I think today's going to be a short stream. I can feel it. I can feel the short stream coming on. Let's see here. Now, for those of you who are not in Doge, for notified my group earlier today in reference to Doge. For Doge, I do think that, oh, y'all didn't need that. For Doge, I do think that it is going to be one of the ones that we got to look out for. Easy 3 to 5x, easy. Even though it's got a huge market cap, I think it's going to do great just because of Elon Musk. And I've been watching this. I have been watching this for quite a while. And I actually made a video. I make so many videos for my group, thought process videos, not just because, but thought process. I made a video on this one, I think like 3 days ago, saying, man, like the market's moving. Some coins are going up, some coins are going down. They're doing something. Doge isn't doing nothing. Like it's staying above this zone right here. And so I was watching it. I had my alert. And then of course I made a video about this. I said, you know, guys, I think it's ready. I think it's ready to go. Probably come up here, come back down, and then take off. But we'll see. January 20th is the inauguration, and I'm thinking about a week prior to, the whole market's going to start going. And this is why we've been loading up for the past couple of weeks with that anticipation of the markets going, because we don't want to join in these coins once they've already pumped 50-80%. We want to be in now, so that when we do get that 58%, well, then we can take profits. And these are my targets, and this is a lower entry. I don't think this will hit, but if it does, then great. If it does, great. All right, so let us go. I'm not going to show you any more charts. No more charts from the VIP group. No more charts. Let's go here to this. So one thing that I do like showing, for everybody who is on the live stream, I like giving you all a little bit of sneak peeks at what we do in the VIP group. Now, of course, okay, I'll give you one more. So this one right here, this is Audit. This is on the Solana network. So you need a DEX, whether it's the using the Phantom wallet or, you know, however you trade Solana coins. Uniswap has I don't know what you call it, a plugin, I guess that's what you call it, for the Solana wallets. And you can just Google it. Uniswap using Solana wallet, or Uniswap Solana network, and it'll show you the plugin, and it's very easy to do. And I don't have it on mine, but I was looking into it. I was like, maybe we should make a video. I was like, man, maybe we just look it up, you know, DYOR. And I was like, maybe I might make it. I don't know. I do a lot of videos for the group already, so we'll see. But here, like, we enter this one way back over here, hit our 80% fairly quick. And then, of course, this is on the hour time frame, and then 300% soon after that. Now it's retracing, and it looks like it wants, well, here it kind of tricked me. Here it looks like it wanted to bounce and start coming up, and it didn't. It's coming down. But for this one, if you wanted to enter this coin, higher risk, higher reward for this one. And I'm giving all these to my VIP members. Now, with my membership for the VIP group, I don't nickel and dime you. I actually opened it's a DEX group where everything on here is nothing but coins that you're going to find on Solana network, on the base network, and these coins are killing it, man. These coins are absolutely just 200-300% crazy. Does it happen all the time? No, definitely not. Not going to promise you any of that. But I opened this group. How much did I charge extra? It says new group, 0, none, nothing. And then, of course, I have this indicator that, of course, it works on coins that are, of course, established. If it's not going to work on a coin that is a brand new coin, because it deals with averages of the highs. And then if you have this type of move, the coin, I mean, let me see. Is it going to do it? Oh, it's on already. So here's 40%. Yeah, so this is kind of a newer type coin too. I mean, there's not a lot of history to it, so it's not going to print. We'll show you on other coins though. But for this one, you could enter this as more of a falling knife, but I would wait for it to kind of do something like this to where it's starting to show strength, and then now you can enter. Be watching it though, because these you can. Well, here you can put an alert. but about 30% pullback possible. And if you do see come down here, well, then you just add to it. Never do go 100%. Never go 100%. All right, no more. Oh man. Let's see here. This is on YouTube. Okay, one more, I guess. Man, y'all guys are getting all the alpha today. Close your eyes, guys. Close your eyes. You're not supposed to see this. Close your eyes. Let's see here. Going down the list. Hey, we got Harp in the house. What's up, Harp? Appreciate you, man, being here. We got Dylan in the house. Can we check out TAI? Yes. There are two that are very, very familiar. TAI and TIA. I think TAI is the one I really like because that one has made us bukus of money. Bukus of money. TAI. I wrote that down. See, Manuel says, morning, Joe. What are your thoughts on Zoom Mex? Never heard of it. I have noticed people talking about that exchange. CryptoFace, Jason Casper seem trustworthy, and I noticed them mentioning it. Well, we will look into that. Zoo Mex. And I'm pretty sure since they're talking about it, hopefully it's no KYC. If that's the case, I may partner with them as well. See here, Crypto King says, come on, let's go. Smack them likes. Yes, definitely, guys. Smash the likes. It does help support the channel, etc., etc. Very good. All right. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Let's get off of that. No more. Let's see, USDT. Oh, yes. This is the one I like. Let's see here. We're still waiting for it. Let's go and delete all of our junk. Get out of here, junk. Let's go to the daily time frame and let's just look at what we got. I like it. Let's go to our fib. Let's do a fib retracement first. We're going to go from the low to the high, and it retraced beautifully to the 0.5. Now it did kind of tap into the golden pocket, the 618, and then came right back up. And now it's balancing on the 382. So it's balancing on the 382, which is really good. Selling pressure on top. Not so much buying pressure on the bottom. That's on the daily. Let us go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we do see this really nice zone of resistance. So let's go ahead and draw this out so everybody can see it. So this really nice zone of resistance is going to be from about here. And I'm actually going to the left. Always, oh my gosh. I'm always going to the left. So let's go ahead and make this a little bit brighter so everybody can see it. And we can see that candles came up here, kind of stopped. Wicks kind of stopped. Candle bodies spot on. Candle bodies spot on. Candle wicks kind of. Candle bodies kind of. Wicks kind of. Candle bodies spot on. Wicks, wicks, wicks. Okay, so this right here is a very, very strong resistance. Very strong resistance. Do we see something down here? We sure do. We see very strong support. So I'm going from the candle bodies and right here. So here we have, hopefully y'all can see all this. We have candle body closes, and then we have wicks, and then we have wicks, and then we have a bunch of stoppage right here. So this would be our, come on mouse. This would be our support zone, resistance zone. And right now we're kind of dab smack in the middle. Dab smack in the middle. So let us look at this. Make sure my magnet tool is on. This is pretty much the middle part. And we can see it respecting multiple areas. So let's put this in white so we don't get confused. Hey, what's going on? 631. Yeah, we can look at Ren. I don't think I've looked at that one in forever. Do you think Ren's a dead project? Don't know, but I will. We'll do a kind of like a deep dive. So we'll do a deep dive on that one. So we're looking at TAI. This is the TARS protocol. It is in between the support and the resistance levels. Currently underneath resistance. If I'm looking at this for a long-term hold, which I would look at all coins as a long-term hold. I'd enter now. Why not? Joe, that's not very professional. Well, all these coins are going to go up. Joe, then how will we think you're a genius? If you don't say, look at this, we called this out 2 months ago and it's up 89 million%. Well, because I don't need you to think I'm a genius. I just need you to know that I know how to trade and I know these cycles. And could I be completely wrong? Sure. Why? Because I know the cycles. Like, just because you know something doesn't mean it's going to happen. Here I'd have a lower entry at around 26% and entry. It's looking kind of weak. I'm not gonna lie. It is looking weak. I'm not gonna lie. It is looking weak. But I think all these coins are gonna go. I think all these coins are gonna go. And you could sit in this one. So the only thing that's stopping me from this is how long I'm gonna have to wait in order for it to move. Now, granted, I'd be holding this for 2-3 months, but when I enter it, I don't want to just wait on it. I want to see it moving 2%, 5%, 12%. This one, I think we may have to wait about a day or two before it finally breaks out. If it breaks out first before coming down. So we may see something like this and then break out if it doesn't come down. So that's the only thing kind of stopping me from saying, oh yeah, man, definitely right now it's just primed, get it. You know, this, of course, not financial advice. I like it. I like the project. Made a lot of money on this project. But if you're looking for a quick trade, I would wait. I would wait for it to break this level. I would actually set my alert. Set the alerts. Make it look fancy. Make it look fancy. Alerts. Then actually set the alert on this. And question mark. Okay. So if you're looking for just a regular trade, I would set my alert at this number, 0.427323723. And then of course the price action would have to close above the zero. No, let me do a blue, because I don't want too many whites there. 0.39694. The 4-hour candle must close above that level. If it does, great, we enter. Now, if it doesn't, if it goes down, well, then we have a lower entry here. Now, if this is an investment play, enter now. Lower bid here, set it, forget it, don't worry about it. And of course, you can have your alerts higher up so you can take profit. But that's what I would do on this one. I like it. Right now, it doesn't look like it's going to move. Maybe the next couple of days, it might move. All right, moving on. Let's see here. So the next one we're going to do is a REN. And we're going to do kind of a deep dive on REN. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to a coin market cap. Coin market cap. And we're going to type in REN. This is a 33 million market cap. Very, very tiny. Very tiny. It's been around since 2018. Long time to have such a small market cap. Red flag. Then, of course, it had a boom in 2021, like most coins did. This was in February. And then when all the rest of the market was absolutely killing it, making higher highs, just absolutely dominating, this one actually created a lower high 1 month prior to everything else taking off. Red flag. Then it came down, and now most coins had a really nice pump in December 2023 and also in March 2024. Most coins did. Now, of course, lower market cap coins will show a significant spike due to the low market cap and very easy to move the token. Let's see here. Let's see here. So in November and also December, had two little spikes, two little tiny. Then in March, when everything else was booming, just crazy, Bitcoin doing all-time high, everything's going great. We're thinking, hey, maybe this is the bottom. It's different. Bitcoin did all-time high prior to the halving. Halving was in April 2024. Maybe now this might be the bottom. So everybody's joining in. Everybody's getting super hyped. This is, let's go, moon mission. And this had a little spike. And then back down. Back down. Okay. So that is that. What kind of markets are they in? They've been around since 2018. KuCoin. Nice. MEXC. Okay. So Binance.us. Okay. Let's see their trading volume. The trading volume on, let's see here. ByGets is 84,000. Not good. KuCoin, 60,000. Not good. MEXC, 37,000. Not good. This one has an asterisk 1.1 million. Suspect. Sus. All right. Let's see here. Let us look at their website. Let's go to their website. Let's go to their website. I see Darren. What's up? Blue, if you have time. I love Blue. Am I still in Blue? I sold some coins to get into other coins. I hope I'm in Blue. I love Blue. Ren, very boring website. Is this a website or is this a GitHub? What is this? You can at least increase the font size for us old people. Ren 2.0 coming soon. Okay, how long have they had this? Where's their roadmap? Is it coming soon in 2023? 2021? 2025? Roadmap time. Discord, GitHub, Twitter. Let's go to their Twitter. They've been around since 2018. 121,000 followers. Nice. Okay. They joined since 2017. Okay. Ren Protocol. How active are they? They retweeted this maybe? I don't know. See here. Our X account has, their X account was compromised earlier today and now has been restored. Oh, that sucks. January today, you've heard about global and local fee markets, but how are they relevant to the general purpose? Okay, so they're putting out information. See, ideal fleas, blah, blah, okay, more stuff. I mean, they're posting. Some of that's good. They're getting a lot of viewers, not so much love, but a lot of views, like a lot of views. I mean, they may be paying for the views. And it's very easy to do. You put a couple $100 or $1,000 or whatever it is to get these numbers, but I would like to see these numbers up. Okay, do they have anything? Okay, what's this? What's this? I don't know. I doubt y'all can hear it. There's no volume. Okay, that was boring. Let's see here. What else? Okay. So that's kind of, let's see here. What else do we got? I think that's it. Okay, so let's look at their tags. DeFi, nice. Marketplace, I guess. Platforms, okay, got it. Any news? Any news? Let's go to news. See, about an hour ago, Binance announces delisting them 5 tokens. Okay, so I want to look at this real quick. 5 tokens crash in price as Binance announces a delist. This was 1 month ago. So they delisted Ren. So why do projects get delisted from exchanges? That's a very important question. The reason they get delisted from exchanges is because, well, they're not doing well. The exchanges make money from the buys and sells. If there's not a lot of buys and sells, well, why have that space available on a token that's not doing anything? So they'll delist them, and then usually because of that, a lot of people sell it. They could transfer their token to another exchange that offers it, but usually they'll just sell it because they like the exchange that they're on. And whenever you see a delisting, this is something that happens. Now, granted, in the VIP group, I am notifying people when coins are being delisted, so that if we're in that coin, we can either exit it prior to everybody else, or possibly take a short, or just know that if you're thinking about entering that one, it might not be a good thing. I do a lot for the group. I inform them of new coin listings. I inform them of listings on places where the new money is going to go to. Coinbase, Uphold, Crypto.com. There's a few others that I have a special group for just that. So how much extra? 0. So once you're in the group, I mean, you're in the group. So just kind of let you know. But I'm also looking out for delisting coins, newly added coins, and this is how we're going to either make money or save money. And that's what I do for the group. But so that's not good for the token. Let's go ahead and look at the price. Let's look at this. REN, USDT, and let's look at, let's go to Mexi. On the 4-hour time frame, Scammy Wick, no problem. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and try to take this off. Daily time frame, a weekly time frame. Oh, that doesn't look good. So most coins have already done their dip, gone up, then another little dip, higher low possibly, and then coming up. This is on the weekly time frame. It's done nothing but go down, down, down. Once you think it found its bottom, it goes lower. Now, could this be the bottom? Possible. Low market cap. So on this, their marketing team really needs to step it up. So if I was thinking about getting into a very high risk play, I would look at this. It's been around for a while. Now, some of these dinosaur coins have started making moves. This one obviously hasn't, but it might. It's a dinosaur. It's been around. It's lasted the test of time. If I had $100, I'd throw it in right now. I wouldn't even put a lower bid. I'd just throw it in right now and then see what happens. That's what I would do. Not financial advice. Now, if you were thinking it's going to go lower, I mean, it could. Anything can happen. But you could do one here. And then for this one, man, what it's gone down about 30%. And then we'll just go from the candle body close to about 50%. So, just for giggles, I do it about 50%, a lower bid, about here. Just for giggles. If I wanted to do $50 here, $50 here. See what happens. Do I have any confidence in this? Not really. I mean, what does it really do? I don't know. The website's trash. For me, websites are very important. Granted, if I was like super crazy nerdy, I'd look at it as like, oh, I love it. It's like a forum or a letter. I want to see colors. I want to see some type of animation. I want to see something. Now, on this one, you have to be very careful due to the market cap. due to the exchange that you may be trading on, you may move the coin. If you put $500 in this coin, you may move it. That's probably what this person did. If you don't know about liquidation, if you don't know about liquidity, order books, anything like that, I strongly recommend you watch my videos. I have them on YouTube. I'm always talking about them. I strongly recommend that you watch these videos. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm referring to. You go to the video section, and then you just go down. You know, we do have special videos only for members. So if you're not a member, strongly recommend becoming a member of the YouTube. It helps support the channel. And then plus, you know, you get valuable information when the time is necessary. I don't just put out just random junk. And then a bunch of videos, man. This is when everything was like crazy. Let's see here. But what I want to show you is this. And I thought I had it. I think I had it, but then it got erased when I had to redo my computer. But this one's a good one. Tokenomics. How not to get wrecked. Don't be a sheep. See here. How to trade without emotions. This one right here. I'm going to share, copy, put it in the group. I recommend everybody watching this. Now, if you watch any of my videos, please smash the like. Please leave a few comments because it helps support the channel. It really does. It's something super simple. Like, I hate begging for it, but I see like the only comments I'm getting are from these dumb scammers. Can you help me with my wallet? Like, I get all happy and everything. I see a comment. Oh, a comment. Somebody, can you help me with my wallet? Like, man, come on, get out of here. Anyway, I got a lot of videos, guys. A lot of videos that are going to help you make money. Like, all these videos, they're older, but they're relevant. It's called what's it called? Green something. These are all relevant. Order books, secrets. Watch this video. Like, all these videos. Ooh, I'm so mad. All right, moving on. Let's see here. What else? All right, moving on. So we did Ren. Let's look at Blue. I absolutely love Blue. And let's do, this is Bluefin. Let's say something new. Ooh, nice. Man, that looks so good. So we got it when it was over here, like brand spanking new. And we ran this bad boy up. I don't think I took profits. I'm just holding it. I have too many coins to be babysitting all of them. And that's the downfall of having too many coins. You can't babysit them. I mean, you really can't. And then I notified the group to add here or to into the trade if they didn't. And it's come down and it's fine. But I do like this one. Ah, man, this one's kind of hard to do because I don't like doing from here. I guess I can do from here. Magnet tool. So from this run up, took 78%. Right now it's battling this area. It's in a really nice accumulation zone. Can y'all see that? Wow, that is such a nice accumulation zone. If I ever saw one, and I do see one, and I am seeing one, I'm gonna go right here. So it came down and it said, nope, I'm out of here. It went up, I said, no, I'm just playing. And came back down, said, nope. And then came back down, broke below it, and then it came back up, rejection, broke out. It's like a swimmer. It's going for air, coming down, going for air, coming down. And now pretty much it's about to, in my opinion, explode. So what I would do is I would set an alert right here. If you're really looking at this coin, and I love this coin, let's go set alerts. Let's actually set an alert on this one. And then let's go ahead and just make it look fancy. Copy. And then let's go ahead and do this, set alerts, and then there's that. There you go. So I would set an alert. Now, how much of a price difference is it from there to the alert? About 12-15%. So if it was like 40%, I would say enter now, not financial advice. But it's only 14%. So if you want to be safer, I'd recommend waiting for your alert to go off, which is 15% away. And then the 4-hour candle must close. I'm gonna do this in whites above 0.4295. The 4-hour candle must close above that level in order for you to enter the trade. Because if you enter anytime sooner, well, you may be stuck in this accumulation box before it potentially breaks out. So I do like that one quite a bit. Let's go to the next one. Rio USDT. It's going to be on MEXC. Realio's looking really nice. Let's go ahead and delete all this. So you must hold above this level, which I'm just referring to this, for at least 7 days before entering. Ooh, okay. So we have some very specific information, and the price was right here. So let's go and let's see if we got wrecked. Did we get wrecked? 7 days. That's a pretty bold statement, Joe. 7 days if it breaks above this. So not only, because most coins, what I say is here's your alert, here's your level, 4-hour candle must close above this level for you to enter the trade. Normally, that's what I say. If that's what I normally say, put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. However, here on this particular one, I said you must wait at least 7 days. Why did I say that? Always investigate. Be a detective when I'm doing any of this stuff. Be a detective. So if we look back in history, we can see, let's just say from here, we're looking back in history because we don't know what's going to happen until it happens, right? So looking back at history, let's just draw this. And this is very important. This is why experience is key. When you join my group, that's what you're getting. You're getting my experience. And I can see this type of stuff. Here, we had a breakout, fake out. Okay, no problem. Here, we had a breakout, awesome, fake out. Okay. Now we don't enter until it breaks this level, didn't do it. Breaks this level, didn't do it. Breaks this level, didn't do it. And then we just keep on going. Breaks this level, didn't do it. Breaks this level. I wouldn't really, this is more higher risk. I would really come up here to this one. Just because this is more of a stronger pivot, because it can break it and come back down. So even though I know it went down, what I do is I show you what I would do in the moment of the trade. This would have been higher risk, very high, because it's literally catching a falling knife. But once we do this, we're actually changing the trend. What happens? What happens here? We get another fake out. I see this stuff, guys. This is what you're doing when you join my group. You are literally paying for the experience. And then, let's see here. Would I enter? I'd have to, this would be a safer play. I mean, I could, if I want to try to get more gains, I could have entered the break of this. And then definitely the break of this if I'm trying to front run this level. Because again, this is when you're changing the high. When we create a higher high on the macro picture, the bigger picture, this is when the trend is changing versus the internal structure that we're dealing with. What happens here? Look at this, guys. This is what I see. It came up, doing nice, but not producing higher highs anymore, producing lower lows, lower low, lower highs, broke through again, faking us out. Due to that information, based off of what I see, based on my experience, I see this stuff going to the left. And what I do is I show you my thought process. And that's what I love about what I do. And I wish I had somebody like me when I first started, who was willing to give all this information out for free so that I could make money before joining the group. I really do. As opposed to what I did, I joined a few groups, paid a bunch of money, paid a bunch of mentors to learn stuff and to find out that their stuff only worked in certain segments of the market. Versus what I do, because I know all that stuff, I give you my experience in what works in what segments. And I show you, especially my VIP group, I show them this is what we used to do. I'm not sure if y'all noticed it, but now we're changing it because we're in a different part of the market. You have to adjust to the market. If you don't adjust to the market, you're going to get squashed. I'm telling you guys, you're going to get squashed. I'm here to protect you. I really am. I don't have all these fancy watches and cars and houses and all that other stuff because, one, I care about you. I care about your money, and I'm not trying to nickel and dime you. Every single group that I add to this, or any kind of service I add to my group, I charge you a $300 extra fee, one-time fee. I don't do that. All this stuff that I'm doing, I'm investing more into the company to give you more value, period. And it frustrates me because all these people who are scamming people, man, they're just buying another cars, they're buying another Rolexes, they're buying everything. When here, I'm trying to help the people who really need the help. But, the views aren't there. The views aren't there. That's why I'm calling out for your help, guys. You know what? I hate asking for help. Do you know why? When you ask for help and you don't get it, you get let down. I hate asking for help. I'm going to change subject. All right, moving on. So this right here is why I said, wait 7 days. Wait 7 days. And sure enough, it didn't happen. Came down. And then let's see this one. We're in the daily time frame now. Okay, so this one, 7 days went. All right, fine. Now we can enter the trade. But here we didn't, because this could have kept on coming down. Excuse me. All right, so now looking at Rio. Let's see here. I'm liking it. We're doing higher highs, higher lows. Let me know if, I know I said I was going to drop it. Let me know if you're the same way, guys. Let me know if you're the same way. Do you hate asking for help? Because when it doesn't happen, it's like, really, man? And it's so funny. Story time. It's so funny. Everybody asks me for money. That's why I only have $14. Everybody asks me for money. And there was, there's friends, or I wouldn't say friends, just acquaintances, where I haven't talked to them in like 2+ years. They'll hit me up. Hey, Joe, how you doing, man? I'm in a bind right now. Is there any way I can borrow some money? And it's never borrow. Like, they never pay it back. I said, yeah, man. They tell me what's going on, what they need, whatever. Yeah, no problem. Here. Boom, done. And then I never hear from them again. Never hear from them until like a year or two later. Hey, man, can you help me out again? This, that, blah, blah. And I never bring up, hey, I loaned you money before, this, that, blah, blah. There was one time 3 people hit me up in 1 week. I was like, are you serious right now? Like, do you have the word out? What's going on? But then if I ever need help, I guarantee it, won't get it. Now, granted, when I had my issue with, with my ex-boss, I had at least 10 people reach out to me. Joe, if you need a place to stay, et cetera, got you. I was like, cool, man, appreciate you. Like, nobody does that. I had 10 people do that for me. So that was very reassuring. But, I hate asking for help. Man, do I hate it. Like, it takes a lot for me to ask for help. Like, a lot. If you know me, you know that for sure. It takes a lot for me to ask for help. And lately, I've been asking for help. And I'm going to change subject. All right, moving on. Joe, you're bringing me down. All right, well, let's bring you back up. This looks good. It looks like it wants to rock and roll. It really does. So let's do the rate tool. Let's go from here to here. We'll do here from this level to this level. Let's see if we can get. And yes, I know I cut through, but I'm using this one to this one. And yes, it did cut through it, but it also almost touched that one. Then from this, let's go from here to here. Nope. To here. I'm just making stuff up now. Let's see here. I will ask for help, but then end up having to do it myself. Yeah, I'm the same way, man. I'm the same way. Yeah. Like for me, I'll ask for help. And then if I don't get it, I might ask again the next day. And if I don't get it, it's like, all right, that's cool. And then I just do it. I just do it. But yeah, it's all good. Let's see here. I see Cryptocoin Mindset says, that's all I get is scam comments. Yeah, man, I hate it, dude. I hate it. All right. Let's see here, man. We're dropping people. We're dropping people like flies. People don't like hearing the truth. People don't like hearing the truth. Let's see here. I'm surprised it was made it this far. One thing that I don't like doing is I don't like looking at my viewer counts. When I look at my viewer count, it's like, man, I think it's because my content sucks. That's what I'm leading to believe. My content just sucks. Nobody wants to learn how to do this stuff. They just want the instant gratification. I think my content just sucks. Having doubts on doing live streams. Having doubts. Maybe I just record a dumb video and put it out there and scam a bunch of people. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go the scammer route. Joe, you're talking negative again. YouTube doesn't like that. Oh yeah, I forgot. All right, moving on. I like it. I really do like this. Let's see here. We got a high, higher high. I mean, the trend's changing. I really do like it. See here, Crypto Guy says Joe is a beast, guys. I gave a hard time. I have a hard time keeping up with him. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Like I literally put in 12, 14 hours. That's on an easy day. 12 to 14 hours. That's on an easy day. Average 16, 18 hours a day to my group. Hands down. That's why we make money. I'm always researching, and the researching, it could be websites, it could be videos, it could be going down the rabbit hole of Twitter. It could be finding ways to leverage my time. Yeah, I'm hard worker. See here. Group says you will get more than you ask for. Oh heck yeah, man! Like there's so much I put in the group. It's crazy. Crazy stuff. Let's see here. Rio. For this one, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see here. Moho says, Joe, maybe this is what I needed. Maybe I just need a pep talk. Because man, I look at my views, it's like, man, like my stuff must suck. I think I need like a hot chick behind me or something to get views. Because man, that's the only thing I can think of. Because I mean, I think I bring alpha and for free. I think it's because people don't value free. I think that's what it is. See here, don't judge yourself, Joe. Content is great and you're honest. See here. Nope, very true. Keep fighting the good fights. I think I just need that, man, because like I said, it's a lot of work. It's so much work. And it'd be different if I had like a team. Like I have a team that works with me as far as my group. But if I had like 10 of me, shoot, man, I could go to sleep like 3 hours earlier because I do a lot of work. All right, moving on. Let's see here. I like it. I mean, it broke this level. It's looking good. This one, it'd be an incher. This one would be an incher right now. Let's go ahead and let's do an actual setup. I don't know what this coin is though. What is this coin? Let's actually look and see what this coin is. Rio. Oh, it's a baby market cap. I didn't even notice that from this structure. So that's good. I did not notice that from the market structure. Normally the market structure looks way different than what this does. Well, that is really good. Metaverse, real world assets, real estate. Okay. I'm really surprised with that. All right, so let's go and do this. So let's do an enter now. And I don't want to do stop loss. Let's do 50%. Can we do 50? Can we squeeze 50%? Let's squeeze out a 50%. And let's just do a target. And then let's do a lower bid. Let's do a lower bid right here. About 20%. Sounds about right. Sounds about right. So we'll do a lower bid right here. Oh, nope, wrong one. Let's do this. Let's go copy. Let's do this. Let's do bid or entry. Let's do a target so it looks fancy. We like it looking fancy. Let's do a target right here. This is going to be our target. And then we're also going to do an enter now. An enter now. And for this one, we will have to adjust it. Where's my YouTube entry? I saved it. Oh, it is. Okay. Today's the 2nd to 3rd. Okay. All right. Very good. I like it. So YouTube entry, lower entry, target. Market cap is super tiny. I like it. I like the setup. I like that it broke this level. It's coming up. Good stuff. Let's see here. Username in the house. Username says Joe is the most bestest. Thank you. No, not a financial advisor. See here. Very good. All right, guys. So that is pretty much it. That is the show. Of course, we start this every day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Then, of course, at 4 o'clock, I'm on Piper Academy Network. There, I don't gripe as much. So if you join in on that channel, there won't be any griping. We got Jess in the house. What's up, Jess? Appreciate you guys for being here. I know y'all are the same person. But so we do this every day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Great news, guys. I just heard that today is Friday, so that's amazing. So hopefully everybody can enjoy the weekend. And then, of course, on the weekend, I do Saturday and Sunday on my channel, this channel, at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over Bitcoin, we go over your coins, we go over the thought process on not only making money, because making money right now is going to be really, really easy. Not only making money, but keeping your money. That's what these mentors need to focus on. Not so much making this money, because anybody can make money right now. It's keeping it. And that's what we do here. We show you how to keep it on this channel. I do thank you guys very much. Until the next time. Not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. Seeing you on the next episode, and let's make this money. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Hey guys, thank you so much.